Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos and videos in CapCut. Open up CapCut and create a new project. Now select the video first, so I'm going to pick this video. Once you select the video, now click on Overlay at the bottom, right here. Once you click on Overlay, click on Add Overlay. Now you can select Photos at the top and pick the photo, so you can now add it as an overlay. You can use 2 fingers to make it smaller or bigger, and you can also move it or rotate it with 2 fingers, so you can move it anywhere. Now click anywhere right there. I can still add another one, so I'm going to add this one. As you can see, you can also add a video. Click on Add Overlay, click on Videos, and pick any video of your choice. You can use 2 fingers to adjust it and move it anywhere you like, as you can see. Now go back, right there, and you can also scroll at this bottom menu to change the aspect ratio. So now, as you can see, this is it. You can now adjust everything. Very easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.